Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name's Ed Miles and this is the new 2019 Bering the Yukon jacket. Okay, so the Bering the Yukon sits right at the top of the tree when it comes to Bering product. As you can see from the exterior, we're looking at a full Gore-Tex Laminate Jacket. So let's go into that a little bit first. This is a major selling feature of this jacket. We're looking at Gore-Tex Laminate products, 2-layer laminate. So it's your standard Gore-Tex, laminated to this face material. Big advantages of that. First, we've got no air gap between face material and membrane. That means when the water comes down, hits the outside, runs straight off, doesn't soak into the jacket. When you get to work or wherever you're going, you're not going to have a big puddle of water underneath your chair at the end of the day. So it's just not going to soak up much moisture. It also keeps you warmer because you're not getting that damp sensation when you've got a cold, wet jacket on. It's a massive selling point for this product. Also means when you open a zip, you're opening the main membrane of the product. It's letting airflow straight into the jacket. So you're getting a direct air vent. Little tip for anyone out there that's buying a jacket, put your hand behind the vent, try and blow through it. If it doesn't go through, it's not a direct air vent. So it's worth a test on most jackets on the market that say vents. Just put your hand behind and see if you're getting any airflow through. With this one, you are going to get direct airflow straight through these vents under the arms here. So these really are direct air points on the jacket. Got some more on the back. I'll run through those when we get to the back of the product. A bit more on Gore-Tex quickly and why that sits just above the Bering ballistic jacket that sits just below it. The slightly higher price point. When you're using a Gore-Tex jacket, Gore-Tex are printing their name in the front, they need to have a jacket they can trust. It goes through rigorous testing by Gore-Tex. What that means is abrasion resistance tested, the armour's tested, the fit's tested, how much it fades in UV, loads of testing, prototype testing, so that gets that Gore-Tex brand lifetime warranty on the waterproofing from Gore-Tex after your 5 years is up with Bering. So you're getting a 5-year warranty on this. It's a massive warranty for this price point jacket with the lifetime Gore-Tex warranty on the back of that as well. So amazing product with great backing, very confident from Bering. The other thing you'll know about Bering, it's a French brand, which means all the jackets have been CE approved for the last 6 years. They know exactly what they're doing in terms of abrasion resistance. It's been tested by the CE approval board, also been tested by Gore-Tex to be abrasion resistant, tear resistant, burst resistant, all those things. So in terms of testing, you're getting a highly tested jacket here for a great price point with a 5-year warranty backing it up. So that's about the background of the product as well. Let's talk about some of the features that are actually inherent in the build and quality of the jacket. Got a lovely neoprene around the top, keeping it nice and comfortable. Snap closure on the neck. So spin that around, you can see it's 2-point adjustment on the neck as well. Where it's got Gore-Tex and Bering rim here, and Bering here, and the zip, that's all reflective material. So you're getting loads of active safety as well built into this jacket. As a French company, they're very, very keen on keeping you safe. Running down the front, you've got a chest pocket here, fairly simple chest pocket. Patch pockets down the bottom, simple to use, easy to use, with adjustment around the waist. Coming around to the side, on the arms, you've got metal loops. Some nice quality pieces there to adjust around the bicep area. And again, around the forearm area, you can get them nice and tight. This is an all-season jacket, so you will be wearing thicker and thinner base layers underneath, so you need that adjustment. Easy to get a fully winter glove under the cuff because you've got zip adjustment and popper adjustment on the cuff, so you should get a winter or summer glove on there. Again, more reflective material down the arm and on the badge on the shoulder as well. Obviously, CE approved elbow and shoulder protectors, with the elbow protectors being adjustable. If you've got shorter or longer arms, you should be able to get a nice comfortable point for the elbow protectors. Spinning around to the back, again, more active safety, reflective on this logo here and on this one here, 3M Scotch Light, so you can get plenty of reflective in those areas. Down to the bottom, you've got a mat pocket down the bottom, which is going to be obviously useful for any pillions or just a bit of extra storage. It doesn't get in the way on the front. And again, where it says aerodynamic system, you've got direct air ventilation exhaust vents here. It allows the air to pull out the back, so you're getting rid of the hot air, keeping it cooler inside the jacket. Really important with a 2-layer laminate jacket like this one. Back around to the front. You just undo the front of the product. You can see you've got Velcro closure with a folded over storm flap that is sewn. So any water that gets through the Velcro is going to hit that storm flap, run down out the bottom. You're not going to get wet inside. Fully tested again by Gore-Tex to extremely high pressure. When you're buying a Gore-Tex product, you know you're getting a very well tested jacket that's not going to leak. Inside, pocket here, important outside the main zip, so it's just a bit more approachable, easier to get to, very practical. Big high grade zip on the inside, smock across the chest, just to keep your chest a little bit warmer than other areas. Very important to keep your chest warm when you're riding, keep your concentration up. Thermal lining inside, you've got a nice warm thermal lining, Bering known for their thermal linings on the inside, so it's nice and warm, obviously removable as you'd expect. With a slit area to get into the pocket on the inside, which is back to a 3D mesh, which again is another abrasion resistant material, so it gives you that next bit of backing, a fully breathable abrasion resistant material on the inside of the jacket as well. Come around to the other side, you've got a slightly different setup, you've got a pocket built into the lining on this one. Again, 3D mesh behind it, so nice and comfortable. That 3D mesh not only to give you some abrasion, also pulls the material off your body a little bit, so it allows the breathability to increase. So not only are you getting a Gore-Tex jacket, you're getting that mesh over the front that allows the moisture and the heat to get away from your body. So you should be able to wear this all year. So just to run down quickly with a few of the features, you're getting Gore-Tex and everything that entails. You're getting a 5-year warranty, lifetime Gore-Tex warranty backing you up as well. You're getting a fully CE approved product, so it's going to be abrasion, tear resistant, elbows, shoulders, everything you need. This really does sit right at the top of the tree on the Gore-Tex range from Bering. So for any more information on this jacket, all the matching trousers that come with all the same features, go to bikerheadz.com. Please like and subscribe down below.